Good day, this is Bruce of Cantotech and we're here to give you an in-depth review of the DiskStation DS918 Plus by Synology. So this is a high-speed scalable storage server which has a CPU of quad-core 1.5 GHz and can burst speeds up to 2.3 GHz. Its network has a dual gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and its memory currently is at 4 GB DDR3L and can be scalable up to 8 GB. Its performance can provide you over 225 megabytes per second and 221 megabyte encrypted sequential reading and writing speed. Synology DiskStation Manager is actually the best in class in terms of security. It can actually block both malicious attacks and ransomware from the internet, which can disrupt access to critical digital assets. In business, where maintaining 24/7 service is paramount. This station manager offers advanced security measures to safeguard your data. In terms of ease of use, shared folders can be encrypted in a simple and convenient way and can be mounted manually or automatically in system bootups. It also has flexible encryption where you can encrypt pre-existing shared folders including the home folders for enhanced security. For security key management, Key Manager allows you to use a USB storage device as a physical key to mount encrypted shared folders automatically without having to memorize all the encryption keys. In terms of entertainment, this can also act as a 4K multimedia server. With Synology DiskStation Manager, you can install some customized application like Surveillance Station, Collaboration Suite, an all-in-one server solution. It can back up your desktop and provide you security in your digital assets. First of all, let's turn our Synology on. Just plug it to the AC outlet and you can see the LED indicator light turning green. After which, you need to plug the DC part to your Synology station. So this is a bit tricky because there's a small little groove there which you need to align to your power outlet. So if in case you are not able to plug it correctly, you just need to turn the knob around until you find the correct fit. And please make sure not to forcibly plug the power button as it may damage your Synology disk station. Let's go to the next step, which is actually to remove the hard drive bay. So carefully lift the bottom part, as you can see, and carefully remove the hard drive bay. So this is a screwless type wherein you can just use the existing panels to plug your hard drive. Once we have removed the bay, we need to remove the screwless mount on the side. You can see here that there's a small engravement which says pull. So this is actually a bit tight and tough, so you need to slightly force your way to remove the screwless mount of your hard drive. So let's just remove the other side so we can mount our hard drive. Now that we have removed the mounting bracket, let's put our hard drive to the hard drive bay. So carefully slot it in. Make sure the screw holes are aligned so that when you place the mounting bracket, you can give it a snug fit. So now that the screws are aligned, just take one of the mounting bracket and put it on the side. So will actually fit just right in. So when the mounting bracket is already fit, your hard drive is locked and is on place. So let's just repeat on the other side. So make sure that everything is aligned and put back the screwless mounting bracket. And there you go, a snug fit hard drive. If in case you don't want to use the screwless mounting bracket, you can always use the old school and use your screw and screwdriver to place your hard drive on the hard drive bay. Now that we have mounted our hard drive, so we just need to pull the lever to release the lock and slide it back in. So we just need to remember how to put it back as how we removed it. So let's just push back the lever to give it a good lock. After you have repeated the process and filling all the hard drive bay, all you need to do is press the power button for about 1 second. Then you will see your hard drive bay blinking, and you can proceed to plugging the USB directly to your computer so you can give your Synology a good setup so you can access the Synology Disk Station Manager. So our review or in-depth review in installing your hard drives goes up to here. So we will be posting another review on how to set up your Synology on our next video. So this is once again Bruce. Thank you. Signing out.